Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're getting into something really, really important for your home.
Yeah, keeping water flowing the right way.
Exactly. We're talking drainage repair services, specifically right here in White Rock. Where all this rain can cause some real issues.
It definitely can. Drains aren't glamorous, but boy, are they important.
Right. So our goal today, using info from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, is to help you understand why good drainage matters so much.
You want to focus on all the good stuff it does for your home.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Think of your home's drains, like hidden rivers maybe.
That's a good way to put it.
And when they get clogged up or, break, it's like a dam. Water backs up.
And it can end up where you really, really don't want it.
Yeah, exactly.
And what's interesting, I think, is how pretty simple steps can actually save you from huge headaches.
Especially in White Rock, right?
Yeah.
Keeping things dry is just key.
Totally. So drainage repair, fundamentally, it's just fixing those pipes. Damaged ones, blocked ones.
So the water flows away like it's supposed to. Stops trouble before it starts.
Precisely.
That makes a lot of sense. But how do you even know if there is a problem? It's not always obvious, is it?
No, not always. But there are clues. Little things you might notice.
Like what?
Well, maybe your sink takes forever to drain. Or the shower, that's a classic sign. Slow drains.
Okay, yeah, I've seen that.
Or maybe a bad smell coming up from the drains. That's never good.
Ugh, no.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
You might even see puddles outside. In your yard, maybe near the foundation.
Or even mold.
Yes, or mold starting to show up. Those are all, warning flags, big ones. Your drains need some help.
Got it. So if you see those signs, what happens next? What can the pros do?
Well, the good news for folks in White Rock is there are some pretty smart fixes now. For really tough clogs, think grease, or sometimes even tree roots.
Tree roots, wow.
Yeah, they can get in there. They use something called hydrojetting.
Hydrojetting. Sounds intense.
It kind of is. Imagine a super, super powerful stream of water. It blasts through the clog and cleans the entire inside of the pipe.
So it's like pressure washing for your pipe.
Exactly. A really deep scrub gets things flowing freely again.
Okay, I like the sound of that. And you mentioned smart fixes. What about digging up the yard? Nobody wants that.
Right. That leads to the other cool technique, trenchless repair.
Trenchless, meaning no big trench.
Pretty much. Instead of digging this long, messy ditch across your lawn to get to a broken pipe way down there, they have ways to fix it or even replace sections with only like one or two small holes, or sometimes none.
Seriously? That sounds amazing for keeping your yard looking good.
It is. It saves your landscaping, your driveway, all that stuff. Much faster, much cleaner, cuts down on the disruption,
Huge difference. Less mess, less stress.
Absolutely. Solve the problem underground without turning everything topsy-turvy.
Okay, so let's pull this all together. What does this really mean for you, the homeowner? Keeping drains happy isn't just stopping puddles.
No, it's way more than that.
Good drainage, it actually helps your home's value, right? Because it protects the structure, stops that long-term water damage.
Which can cost a fortune to fix later, a real fortune.
And it keeps your family healthier too, doesn't it? Preventing mold, keeping out nasty bugs that like damp spots.
Definitely, big health benefits. Plus your yard. It protects your landscaping from getting washed away or waterlogged.
Keeps things looking nice. And there are local rules too, right? Here in White Rock, about managing water properly.
That's right. Good drainage helps you stay compliant with those as well.
So these are really significant benefits. Home value, safety, health, your yard, following the rules, peace of mind, really.
If you look at the bigger picture, yeah, being proactive, taking care of your drainage, it's honestly one of the smartest things you can do.
Fix small things before they become big, expensive things.
Exactly. It's a smart investment in your home. Saves money, saves stress down the line, lasting peace of mind.
And if you want more clear advice or need help finding local experts for these kinds of White Rock drainage solutions,
like the ones we've been talking about,
you can check out the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. They've got good info there.
Yeah, definitely worth a look. Which kind of brings up a final thought for you listening.
Oh, yeah.
What's one little part of your home's water system, maybe a drain, a gutter, that you could just take a quick peek at today, just to make sure it's clear, flowing freely?
Good question. A little checkup to protect your big investment.
Exactly. Just something to think about.